Vertex is the premier brand of aftermarket replacement pistons and offers enthusiasts state-of-the-art, high-quality pistons for dirt bikes, ATVs, and UTVs. Vertex is a choice of those who truly seek optimal performance in any power sport application. Today we're going to take a look at Vertex's 4-stroke top-end kits. Vertex's 4-stroke top-end kits were made to ease the repair and maintenance process by saving you time and money. This kit comes with everything you need to replace your top end on your 4-stroke. Included in each kit is a forged piston kit with rings, wrist pin, and circlips, a top end gasket set that includes head, base, exhaust, and cam chain tensioner gaskets, and a replacement cam chain. Well known throughout Europe, developed alongside and used by most of the GP race teams, Vertex is known as the premium piston brand. When you buy a Vertex piston, you're truly getting factory technology and OEM quality at a very affordable price. And now for even more value and convenience, they're available in top-end kits. Vertex's 4-stroke pistons are hard to beat, and when it comes to the power and performance of a modern 4-stroke engine, you need the strength of a forged piston. Vertex's pistons are forged from the highest quality 4032 or 2618 aluminum alloy for superior strength and durability. Vertex pistons are perfectly suited to handle the rigors and high compression ratios of today's modern 4-stroke engines. Most late model pistons incorporate a special T-box forging and side gusting design around the wrist pin bore for maximum strength. Each dome profile and valve pocket is specifically engineered to match the combustion chamber of your engine. All 4-stroke pistons are heat treated with a T6 hardening and tempering cycle to further increase the strength. Plus, they all have a molybdenum disulfide coating on the skirt for reduced wear and improved break-in, both making for superior durability and longevity. The gaskets used in these top ends use hand-selected gasket material designed to seal mating surfaces and outperform OEM material on imperfect surfaces. High-performance interface micropore gasket materials utilize where applicable, ensuring leak-free operation. These top-end gaskets include every gasket, O-ring, and seal required to rebuild a top-end kit. Plus, these 4-stroke top-end kits will include a replacement cam chain. When the time comes to rebuild the top end of your 4-stroke, get yourself a Vertex Piston 4-stroke top-end kit. Our products are featured in bike builds for industry-leading magazines while also being used by top factory teams and racers throughout the world. Here's your chance to run what the pros run. If you have any questions or comments, contact us at 515-402-8000 or visit our website at vertexpistons.com. For factory performance and OEM quality, it can only be a Vertex piston.